This video will demonstrate the workflow for single implants in the Trios application. Implant. The first option is to remove the healing cap, dry the area, and scan the emergence profile immediately before the gingiva collapses. Make sure to get the entire area covered well. Continue scanning the occlusal surface from the implant to the canine. Then, as it is the lower arch, slowly roll to the lingual side and move the scanner in the distal direction. Finally, slowly roll over the last molar and scan the buccal side. Finally, mark the preparation. You will see a blue overlay around the preparation mark, indicating the area that will be automatically cut out when going to the scan body page. If necessary, you may reposition the pre-mark to obtain your desired cutout. You may adjust the automatic cutout radius under Settings, Scan, or you may turn it off completely if you prefer to trim manually. Make sure that all of the implant has been trimmed away, as well as the nearby surroundings. Insert the scan body